How to make your Android battery last longer with this setting. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can make your battery last longer with some tweaks in the settings. So before we begin, if you're new here, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified for whenever we release a new video. Now let's jump right into it. First step, what you'll need to do is you will need to just enable your battery saver mode. So swipe down from the top and search for battery saver. Enable that. And basically all of the settings that we are going to use will be enabled with this single button. But let's just go through it one by one. So I'll just turn off my battery saver mode for now and just go ahead and show you guys the settings. So first thing that you'll need to do is activate your dark mode. So swipe down from the top, search for the dark mode option and tap on it. This will enable the dark mode, which will optimize your battery uses. It will reduce power for the OLED screens and generally save battery. So that's one thing. The other is heading over to your settings. Let's just go to our settings. On the settings, what you'll need to do is go to battery, search for battery, tap on it. And after you're here, head over to adaptive battery. So turn this on. What this adaptive battery does is that it learns your uses to optimize battery use for apps that you rarely use. So the apps that you frequently use will receive much more battery, or it'll direct most of your battery on those apps instead of the apps that you rarely use. So turn that on, and after you've done that, head over to your screen settings. Now what we are going to do is reduce our brightness. So head over to display. On your display, you can turn on your adaptive brightness, which is automatic brightness. So you can turn that on. Just make sure that your brightness is low most of the time. And other than that, what you'll need to do is head over to screen timeout. From here, choose a smaller time, which will let screen turn off sooner, ultimately saving your battery. Now for the background app management, you can restrict apps with high uses. So go to battery uses. On battery uses, turn off let me just scroll down. There you can find a lot of different apps which you use. So there you can see the apps that you mostly use. So tap on one of those apps. So let's go to Instagram. And on the Instagram, you can see the background time for this app. So simply turn off allow background uses. Doing that will reduce the background time for the app and ultimately save your battery. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.